Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save pictures from Pinterest. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Pinterest app. And let's say you have a picture that you would like to save. Let's say this is the one. You're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this three dot right over there, tap on download image, and then your image has been downloaded. Just have to go back and then go ahead, open up your gallery, and there you go, your photo will be there. And that's how you can simply go ahead, download or save a picture from Pinterest like that. And that's all you need to do. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.